Hello students, this is Sarish Khatri again with a new video of your chapter Nutrition in Animals. In yesterday video, I told you about holozoic nutrition and steps of holozoic nutrition. I told you that all the herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, they are holozoic. So they use holozoic nutrition: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. These were the steps they use in their body to eat after eating the food and to get the nutrition from that. So today in this video I will tell you nutrition in amoeba. I will start this holozoic nutrition steps in proper way from microorganism amoeba. Amoeba is a single cell, unicellular means made by single cell organism. It is a kind of animal. It can be seen by microscope. We cannot see it with normal naked eyes because it is a microorganism. Its size is so small that we cannot see it. So it is made by single cell, means it's all work. It has no organ, it has no any kind of parts. Its all work of body is done by only one cell. So it has no fixed shape like we have proper shape of body, but it has no fixed shape. It can be of any shape. It lives mostly near the pond, near the rivers, near wet areas, or also in the animals who use this water through that it can enter in their body. So what does it eat? It eats other floating microorganisms as its food. It uses that, means those organisms which we cannot see, it uses them as a food. So today I will tell you how it gets its food and how does it use it for its nutrition. Amoeba, it is, suppose this is a kind of shape of amoeba. In this is a single cell, means it has not any, we have billion trillion of cells, but it has single cell. It has some parts, that parts I will tell you. Cell is covered with outer layer, or we can say the outer cover of cell. It is called outer cover of cells, which is giving it shape. This outer cover is called cell membrane. Membrane means layer, so it is outer cover of this amoeba. This is called cell membrane. Every cell has a center point, or we can say control center. Like we have brain, it control all the activities. Similarly, cell has also a kind of brain which control all the activities. So this brain of cell is called, control center of cell is called nucleus. This is present maybe in center or somewhere, but not in the corner. So that is nucleus. It control all the activity of cell. It give commands and complete the commands, that all things. So this is called nucleus. Now we have hands, we have mouth, right? It doesn't have any kind of hand, but it has that kind of shape by which it can get the food. It can catch the food. So that shape of amoeba by which it can catch the food is called pseudopodia. You can see this shape. By this shape it can catch the food, means it has no any kind of hand or legs. This shape, due to its shape, it can catch the food. So this shape by which it can catch the food is called pseudopodia. So these are the three main parts of amoeba. Let's discuss about its nutrition, means how does it get the nutrition. You can see the diagram. In this diagram you can see it's amoeba and it's a food. This shape you can see, by this shape it will catch the food. You can see in second image, by this it is catching the food, means food is in the shape of amoeba. So this shape by which it is catching the food is called pseudopodia. This shape is called pseudopodia. This is nucleus, this is cell membrane. So you can see that all the parts. After then, when it catch the food, then it enters the food inside itself. Then food can enter inside the amoeba. So that inside the amoeba, when food it enters, that is called food vacuole. Vacuole means an empty space. So food is present in food vacuole of amoeba. So amoeba has empty space. So this is called food vacuole. So food is taken by pseudopodia and then it enters in the food vacuole of amoeba. After then, food is digested and then waste is released by the amoeba, which is not digested by the amoeba. That food waste is released by amoeba. So this is the complete process done by amoeba. In this it is doing ingestion. Ingestion means it is taken in the food. Second is digestion. Food vacuole has some kind of special chemicals, proteins, or we can say enzymes, which digest the food, and then it also absorb the food. And nucleus get the energy from food and give it to amoeba, and whatever the waste is there, it release out from the amoeba. So this is the same process as yesterday I told you. This is holozoic nutrition. It is done by amoeba. It is done in steps also. Ki food is taken in by help of finger-like projection, pseudopodia. It is finger-like projection. Because its shape is just like finger, so it is finger-like shape. It's called pseudopodia. It is taken, food is taken by that amoeba. Then second, food is entered in food vacuole. As I showed you that it is entering in food vacuole. So food is entered in food vacuole. There enzymes of amoeba digest the food. Enzymes means a kind of protein produced by cell, a kind of chemical produced by cell. They digest the food. And yesterday I told you the meaning of digestion. The process which convert complex component of food into simple components of food. I told you that yesterday. Ki food particles are very complex, very difficult to break. So by enzyme it can break and it convert into simple particles which we can use, our body can use. So this is done by food vacuole in digestion process. Then third, nucleus, this center point, as I told you, this absorb the food and produce energy. Nucleus absorb the food because it is converted into simple now, so it absorb the food and whatever the energy, whatever the nutrients, it's taken by that nucleus. And then what waste is left which is not digested by amoeba, it releases from its body. This process is called digestion. When the food is absorbed by nucleus, now the food is not of use, so then non-digested food is released from body. As we release waste particles from our body, similarly amoeba also release waste food from its body. So this is called digestion, this process. So this is the complete process of amoeba. Nutrition in amoeba. It is using holozoic nutrition. In this chapter, mostly we are doing holozoic nutrition. These all steps are same in all the animals, but the way of doing it same, right? So you please watch this video carefully again if you have any doubt, and then please share this video to your friends because they are not taking care of these videos. They are not watching them carefully, and do your worksheet properly. Thank you and have a nice day.